Hello Surveyor 3s. In this video, we will see how to update the drone. This is a major update and there are some changes in the workflow and new features have also been added. Kindly watch the full video. Update the Surveyaan app from the Play Store to the latest version. Earlier, when we used to connect the drone, we had a camera selection screen, which won't be here from now. Once you open the app, the drone version will be fetched first. Once it fetches the drone version, it reaches this screen. A reminder pop-up will come asking you to connect the camera and letting you know that the manual control has been added now in the mission. Also, we are providing a hardware joystick now on to control the drone. Since now I am not using the joystick, it is telling no hardware joystick detected and the virtual joystick has been activated. Give OK. Now we also provide a GPS tracker for the drone. Kindly contact Surveyaan for more details. Here you can see the camera button in red, meaning that the camera is not connected. You can connect the camera from this button. Here I am not connecting the camera. Next, we can select the mission type like earlier and select your desired mission and load the KML or choose automatic. Give the altitude, overlap and angle and then swipe to fly. Here another safety feature has been added. Normally, both the antenna, that is the ground and the air, both when connected to the base and the communication box, should show above 95% communication strength. If it is showing below 95%, then either of the antenna may be faulty. Here we can see that the antenna is at 58%. This is why this pop-up has come. In such cases, check your antenna if it's faulty or connected properly. Give yes to proceed. Once you give yes, we get a mission info pop-up. Here, if you wish the drone to return to home, if communication gets lost, then you can tick this button. Second is high wind. If in case high wind, then users can check this option. Finally, we have the RTH after battery percent. This is for users who have old batteries that got degraded. Degraded batteries have less flying time. So, user can RTH at their own custom battery percent. For example, if you want the drone to RTH at 60%, you can give 60 here. Please note that the range for RTH for this feature is between 28 to 60%. Here also, if the camera is not connected, it will be shown in red. After your selection, press confirm. Make sure to arm check before each flight. Here I am uploading the mission again. Now, as you can see, the drone is taking off and flying towards its first point. We have introduced another feature. If in case the drone lands between the mission. Suppose the drone is flying at 100 meters and the drone is far away from your home position. That is, if it is more than 15 meters away from the home position and you have given the land, or the drone is trying to land suddenly. Here you can give the land button. Here we can see that the drone is flying at 64 meters. First, it will start to land. Once it reaches 49 meters, we get the manual controls. And once it changes to manual, here we can see on the top right, it has changed to manual mode. Now you have the option to either bring down the drone manually or to give RTH. Unless you give the command, it will hover at that particular height. This is the manual control. Left side, we have the throttle button and the yaw button. Yaw is the left and right button, which is used to change the orientation of the drone at a particular point. Up and down is to control the throttle. That is, up for increasing the altitude and down for decreasing the altitude. Next, on the right, we have the pitch and roll. Pitch up means drone move forward. Here you can see the drone moving forward. And down means drone move backward. And here you can see the drone moving towards its right. Roll is left and right. And here you can see the drone is moving towards the left. Now I am giving RTH. Top right hand side, we can see that it is now in the RTH mode. And here from 35 meter, we can manually control the drone. So here I am setting the manual mode and using the roll to move the drone. You can adjust the drone as you wish and then click on the land button to land the drone. Please note that the manual controls won't be available below 10 meters. Finally, the drone has been successfully landed. With this, we come to the end of the video. And thank you for watching the video.